Are you somebody that's looking for a move-in condition land? Today, we are at District 15, nestled in the heart of Opera Estate, looking at the Freehold Inter-Terrace with 1344 square feet of land and approximately 2,500 square feet of built-up space. Come, let's take a look. This beautiful landed house was rebuilt in 2011 with the design fully customized by the owners. Welcome to the front porch, where you have an area that you can fit one car comfortably, and you also have a tree nestled on the right side of the unit. So this tree is strategically planted to prevent the west sun from coming in. Welcome to 36 Dido Street, a 2.5 stories inter-terrace with 3 ensuite bedrooms, 1 granny room and 4 toilets. Now, many of you will think, why are there piranha-style windows in the living area? Well, the owners actually adapted this idea from the Swiss culture with outward-facing windows. So this allows users on level 2 and level 3 to peer into the living room and also say hi to its neighbours. Back on the ground floor, we have a garden feature wall and an L-shaped pond. So this makes you feel part of an enchanted forest. Now, what I love about this space is the open concept kitchen. We have a dining table on the left and a kitchen on the right. We also have spaces thoughtfully designed, such as a storage space underneath the staircase. Okay, let me bring you to the back. What we have here is a common toilet for the granny room or helper room. If you notice, this room is very spacious, right? You can even have another toilet here to make it ensuite. And even at the back, you have a second kitchen. You can treat this as a wet kitchen, as an add-on to your dry kitchen. But what I love about this place is it's fully customizable. You have a wall over here that can be fully hacked down to make your living room more spacious and more rectangular. Welcome to the master ensuite. The Swiss window design together with the airwell allows you to have your study corner flush towards the side of the wall. This allows for natural light and ventilation as you do your work or your study materials here. Now, this master ensuite is extremely long. You have space here for your king-size bed. You also have a corner here for your miniature living room or an entertainment corner with a TV placed at the corner. Welcome to the balcony of the master ensuite. What we can do to the flooring is replace it with artificial grass and water-resistant wood. Now, the owner loves to do gardening, so that's what they use this space for. But what you can consider doing is having zip track so that you can enclose the room with air conditioning as well. Let me take you through the second ensuite room. What we have here is an elevated bed on top with a platform that has inbuilt drawers so that you can declutter your space. Again, your study area is located right in front of the airwell, so this gives natural sunlight to come in towards your room. Welcome to the top floor of this 2.5 stories inter-terrace. This is an entertainment space and it's also ensuite. What you can have here is a regular sized pool table, or you can even have a mahjong set, a futsal table on the side. Okay, so what some people have suggested is having a cinema here, a home cinema. You can have the screen placed on the right side of your house, and you can have sofas lined up on this end. Welcome to the roof terrace. What the owner did for this space is they use it for a garden area. But what you can do is enclose this area to be your 4th ensuite bedroom. Now imagine, just sitting on 1344 square feet of land, you have 4 bedrooms, you have a massive airwell, and you even have the south wind. What more can you ask for? This unit is situated in Opera Estate. It is less than 5 minutes walk to the main road bus stop and a mere 9 minutes walk to Bedok MRT and interchange. Just down Rienzi Street, we have a park connector that leads us straight to the upcoming Siglap MRT and East Coast Park. Within 1 kilometre, we have Opera Estate Primary School, and within 2 kilometres, we have Red Swastika and Neon Primary School. Once again, my name is Oscar. If you're keen to view this beautiful inter-terrace in person, you can contact me in my number below, and I hope to see you soon.